Instructions would be a violation of the right to personal liberty, even though the court's prescribed procedure would be implemented in this situation as well. Conclusion. The decision in the case of Common Cause v. Union of India, 2018, demonstrates how the notion of proportionality has been applied. It showcases how the court balances two aspects of the same right. In this case, the right to life guaranteed under Article 21 of the Constitution of India. While the right to life gives rise to a strong state commitment to safeguarding human life, it also guarantees the person's autonomy to make decisions regarding his or her own health. The court has carefully considered the social, intellectual, moral, and economic facets of this matter. It has made an exception to the idea of the sanctity of life in circumstances where a person's existence has lost significance and prolonging his life is no longer in his best interests. Comparative jurisprudence has also proven extremely useful to the court. The bench members performed a thorough analysis of international jurisprudence. While carrying out this exercise, the court has confirmed the right to die with dignity and to make advance directives, while also providing specific guidelines for doing so. In order to frame the guidelines, the court relied on the case of Visakha and others, v. State of Rajasthan, 1997. Hence, the need of the hour is to frame proper legislation conforming to the guidelines laid down by the Supreme Court, along with overcoming the loopholes in the judgment. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. Under what circumstances and illnesses can an individual be subjected to passive euthanasia? In order to avoid intruding on the purview of medical specialists, the court has not named any diseases. The family's permission may be sought for passive euthanasia if the practitioners are of the opinion that there is no chance of recovery. According to doctors, the issue should only come up for individuals who are permanently incapacitated, vegetative state, or in a coma. What is the doctrine of the double effect, commonly used in reference to cases concerning euthanasia? According to the theory of double effect, as long as a morally right action has an unintended unfavorable consequence, it is ethically justifiable to carry it out. This is valid, even if one anticipates that a negative outcome is likely to occur. The aforementioned theory is used to support situations where a medical practitioner administers medications to a patient despite having realized that doing so may reduce the life of a patient in order to relieve distressing symptoms. This occurs because the practitioner is not aiming to kill the individual intentionally, and the bad outcome of the tragic death is a secondary consequence of the positive outcome of lowering the person's misery. What is the status of the legality of euthanasia in India? In India, passive euthanasia is permitted by the judiciary. According to this concept,